Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a product from Naturehike, glamping with a capacity of 2500 milliamps. This is a night light for atmosphere. So it's creates a really lovely atmosphere around your camping. So it works between 4 hours and a half and 12. This is the light. How warm is the light? USB-C for charging. It works in temperatures between -10 and 40. And it's IPX4. So yeah, let's just open it up. So you get some information as well, instructions. As you can see, yeah, let's just this first of all. This is on top, so rubberish. You get a USB C to A for charging, and that's the flashlight, torch, camping light, whichever you want to call it. This goes like that, and it stays in position. This is where you charge it. This is a bit hard for me to open. I don't have any nails. Trust me, behind this it's a USB USB-C port, and that's how it looks like when you turn it on. And it can be increased to medium and high. And then there's also a flashlight which has SOS as well, and then off. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.